Ninth Standard Social Science, Political Science, Chapter 8, The Judiciary. Fill in the blanks with suitable words. The Supreme Court came into existence on January 28, 1950. The number of writs that can be issued under Article 32 of the Constitution is 5. Criminal courts came into existence on 1st April 1974. The lowest revenue court is the Tahsildar Court. Answer the following questions. How are the judges of the Supreme Court appointed and what are their qualifications? Chief Justice of the Supreme Court and other judges are appointed by the President. The sitting Chief Justice recommends the most senior judge of the Supreme Court for the appointment of the next Chief Justice. On the recommendation, the President appoints the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court. Other judges of the Supreme Court are appointed by President on the recommendation of the Collegium comprising of the Chief Justice of India and other 4 senior judges of the Supreme Court and on the advice of the Union Cabinet. Next we shall see their qualification. The qualifications of a Supreme Court judge: should be a citizen of India, should have served as a High Court judge for at least 5 years, or should have been an advocate of the High Court for at least 10 years, should be a distinguished jurist in the view of the President of India. What are the functions of the High Court? Original jurisdiction to settle disputes relating to matrimonial relations, death certificate and contempt of court. Appellate jurisdiction to entertain and dispose of appeals against judgments passed by subordinate courts. It has the power to supervise cases in subordinate courts falling within the jurisdiction of the High Court, to direct them to observe certain rules, to collect all records. Apart from these, it handles recruitment and control of staff, protection of fundamental rights, receiving various writ petitions, and providing justice. Which are the subordinate courts under the civil courts? Court of Subordinate Judges, Court of Additional Subordinate Judges, Court of Munsifs, Court of Additional Munsifs. What was the purpose of establishing Lok Adalats? When did they come into existence? In India, the legal procedure is time consuming and expensive. As an alternative, the government has set up Lok Adalats which functions faster and are less expensive. They came into existence in 1985